Welcome back, everybody, to the Stars and Stripes Harley-Davidson YouTube channel. We have a 2020 silver XL883 iron. Beautiful Sportster. It's been lifted and the ignition has been moved over to the opposite side, left-hand side. Clutch side, we have a Vance and Hines. It looks like to be a beveled short shots. With a black finish. Most of the bike does have a black finish. The chrome that it does have, we will clean that up a little bit, make it nice and shiny for everybody to come see it, give it a nice test ride. Alright, we have here a small width in the tire, so it's easier to maneuver, a little bit more difficult to retain forward motion on that. That's why touring bikes are much wider. We have Brembo brakes. Have the rubber fork gators up here. Have halogen headlight with the cover here. Have the lines that are replaced because of the Meathook. These are 16 inches. Design gear. Cable clutch. Due to the size of the handlebars, the mirrors have been flipped upside down. This would be the right one on the left hand side, so this is upside down. Beautiful tank, very small, very small mark here. There's the ignition I was talking about. 5-speed transmission, mid-mount foot controls. Pretty clean other than that little tank spot. A little bit of outside time, quite a bit of outside time, but internally really well taken care of. 3,940 miles. We're gonna do a 5K tour, make sure she's good to go. Here it is, a cold start. Thanks so much for watching. Come on by for a test ride. One of the ways you're going to know about what a Sportster from Harley-Davidson is really like is come on by and ride it. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. And I'll see you in the wind.